Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jody. I'm just joking. I love saying my name. Like, I love my name. It might sound creepy, but I actually love my name. I feel like it's just short and nice. Like, my name is Jody. But anyways, guys, I'm tired. I just got back from outside. I'm very tired. I had a lot of errands this morning, as well as I had some business that I was trying to get done. All right, so I promised you the other day that I was going to give you guys a channel update as well as a life update, because a lot of new things has been going on in my life, but I've been extremely busy but trying to balance. So I haven't really gotten to that part to tell you guys what else has been happening outside of me and my son pranking each other. But of course, I have a regular life like anybody else, so I'm sure y'all must be wondering what else we do on a daily basis or what else has been happening with us. So first things first, for those of you who have been here for a while, I'm sure you remember in an older video I told you guys that I should be moving, but we have been looking at apartments. But we still haven't really found one that we are necessarily comfortable with, because, like, I don't know, you know how they always be like, they always says like familiarity breeds content, because comparing to where we're at now, it's just hard for me to just move anywhere that I'm not comfortable with because of what I'm used to at the moment. So we're still searching for an apartment to live. We have less than a month to do so. So of course time is winding down on us. I've been looking at apartments, but to be honest, the reason why I don't really vlog when I'm looking at apartments is because half the time I don't like what I see. Some of the times I'm not prepared, because I'll probably just hear doing something and somebody call me to go look at somewhere or whatever the case may be. Oh my god, hold on guys. Hello? Hi, yeah, I was asking a question I wasn't sure about. I was trying to find out if I should cancel the other appointments in the portal, the applications in the portal. Okay. Oh, okay, because I wasn't sure exactly how it works. So I thank you. All right, thank you. Same to you. Okay. Right. So what was I saying? So yeah, I still haven't we haven't found somewhere that we're comfortable with as yet. Basically, what I was saying, I totally forgot what I was saying since I got the call. What else? Oh, what's new is your girl got a job. I am now going to be a customer service rep at the bank. I'm not going to say what bank for more than one reasons, of course, for safety reasons as well as for work reasons. So your girl not careless no more. A joke me I make. But for those of you who knew, I moved to America a year ago. I wasn't really able to work as yet because it's a process. If you know, you know. So I just got my stuff about a week and a half ago. So girl, I run out. Cause girl now waste no time. Girl get job and so. The first application I sent out, I got called back, and I was hired by that bank. So I'll now be working at the bank A joke, yeah. But I'm gonna be a customer service rep at the bank. As it relates to my YouTube channel, I guess I'm just gonna have to learn how to balance out my life. Before I left Jamaica, I haven't had a job in the last 5 years, I think. And before I came here, I had probably 2 real jobs ever in my life. So it's always a matter of adjusting because I haven't worked in a while either. And of course, it's my first time working in the US as well. So it's new to me. It's a different environment. You know, you have different diversity of people, different races. So, you know, you're gonna buck up on people with different personality traits, different attributes, whatever. But I guess I just have to learn to adjust. It's exciting for me as well, because for me it's like an adventure. Hopefully I love it and it's smooth sailing. As it relates to the channel, since I'm not going to be working, like I said before, I think I said this before, I guess I'm just going to have to learn how to balance my life. I'm probably not going to be able to make as much videos as I want to, but I'll definitely be making videos every single week, even if it's 1 video per week, because separate apart from me working, to be honest, another dream of mine was always to have a YouTube channel. Like, I don't know, I just have a passion about that. Because also, for those of you who know me personally, would know that this is my 3rd attempt to doing YouTube. This is my 3rd YouTube channel. The other 2 I wasn't really active on. I wasn't as active as I needed to be. I wouldn't say I wasn't serious about it, but I think the environment and all of the stuff that was going on in my life just didn't really give me the time to be consistent. Just didn't give me the time to be consistent because I had a lot going on. That's when I was in Jamaica. But now this is my 3rd channel. I'm now in a new environment. I'm now in a better mental space. To be honest, this channel is more successful than the last 2 in terms of it's growing much faster than I expected compared to the last 2 that I had. Yeah, of course, we're on the road to 1K. But I'm still happy about the fact that I think I have 500 and something subscribers. We're halfway there. Simply because, to be honest, I'm not an influencer. I'm not a popular person. I am not no popular person on social media, so I am not known by a lot of people. So I was very much aware of the fact that my channel is going to take some time to organically grow, right? Because like I said, my YouTube channel is really the reason why I started trying to be more active on YouTube, but I'm mostly on TikTok, to be honest. So you guys probably see me post my Instagram name, but I'm mostly on TikTok. Sorry about that. I need to put the information down below. So yeah, I'm not a popular person, so I knew that my channel was going to take some time to grow. But those of you also who are asking, the channel is not really for me and my son. It's my channel, but persons kept requesting pranks and other stuff, so I incorporated my son into it. So bear in mind that when September comes, my son is going to go back to school. I am now working, so you're not going to see us as often as possible. But like I said before, I'll definitely be making more videos. The only difference is probably those videos will probably be I might probably be why am I talking so fast? I might probably be the only one in those videos, because coming September, my son is going to have school. He has his homeworks, he has to study, and he also plays football. So we might not have as much time like we used to, but we'll try. You'll definitely be getting videos, even if I'm the only person in the video. That's a fact. Sounds like a lot, but we'll get there. So I basically told you what's going on. I have a new job. We're still trying to find somewhere to live. I should have done a mukbang, but anyways, I didn't really plan this video. I just said, okay, I'll do it since I'm not doing nothing now. What else am I not telling you guys? Oh, welcome to, oh my god, so welcome to the new subscribers again. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate the love. Thanks to the few who were there from day one, and I must give a big shout out to C Miller TV, of course. I must give a big shout out to C Miller TV because they're the ones who have really helped me to get the channel to where it really is now because of the shout outs. Yeah, I have to give credits where credits are due. Like I said, I'm not popular, so I knew it would have taken me a while, but ever since I got the shout out from them, my channel has been doing way better, no lie. So I must say a big thank you to Dwayne and Kerry. Two mad people, always enjoy them channel. Yeah, I have a few negative people on my channel already, even though we're basically nowhere as yet. But guys, to be honest, let me tell you, if you come on my platform to be negative, you're really going to be wasting your time, because you're not going to get a response from me. I'm the type of person, like, what's the word I'm looking for? I'm not, Jesus, I can't forget the word. But anyways, you're not gonna get a reaction out of me, so don't waste your time. Don't waste your time, because you're not gonna get a reaction out of me. I'm simply going to block your comments or delete, block you from my channel. That's basically it. I don't have the time. I have too much going on. I really don't care for the negative comments. If you don't like me for whatever reason, you don't have to watch. If you think the pranks are fake for whatever reason, you don't have to watch. If you don't enjoy the channel for whatever reason, you don't have to watch. It's so crazy, because I honestly feel like sometimes it's probably even people who know you that do these type of stuff, you know, like. But I'm just here to tell you that you're wasting time, honey, because you'll not get a reaction out of me. I could care less what you think. I pay attention to the people who are positive and to the people who support us. I really don't care what you think as it relates to the negative people, because I really can't fathom why people would take time out of their day to come and make negative comments on people's channel. Like, I don't get it, and I'm not trying to. Hopefully I covered all areas. I'm not sure. If I don't, I'll always update you guys for sure, so it really doesn't matter. But yeah, I see that you guys are really enjoying the pranks, and I love that. I like that. How I come up with these things sometimes I don't even know. But to be honest, I'm naturally a funny person. My friends can tell you that. People always say I'm crazy even when I'm not trying to be. I'm naturally a funny person, so it's kind of easy for me. But yeah, continue to enjoy the videos, guys. I'm gonna get something to eat and mentally prepare my mind to start working, to start adjusting. Like, you know, it's so crazy. Like, sometimes we complain about so many things, but we don't even realize how blessed we are. Because I'm still shocked at the fact that I'm just now legally able to work, and the first job I applied for, I actually got. Even though I was very nervous during the interview and whatever, but it's like, I'm still in awe. Like, I don't know, but thank God for his mercies. I can't complain. I've had a few trying times ever since I've been here, but then again, I'm somebody who I get worked up very easily over everything, so that's just me. But it always works out in the end. When I do find a new apartment that I love though, and we're about to move or whatever the case may be, I'm definitely gonna fill you guys in on that, and you'll definitely see the place. So until next time, guys, have a great day.